the first thing I need to do is go to H&M, make a return, so let's go. Okay, so I'm currently in the dressing room and I actually don't plan on buying anything. I just want to try a bunch of things and see how they look, so let's do it. Okay, so I got these shirts in two color, the black one and the yellow one, because I wanted to try them both. Sad story, I got them in two different sizes so that I can see like which one fits better. The one in yellow does not fit me at all, so I'm so sad. I feel like I really want to try it, so I may as well go back, take another size and then try it again, because I think this looks so cute. I mean, what the heck, like, I really like the fit of it. I really like the shape. I'm not that into the color, like I don't want this in black, but I'm gonna go and try the yellow one in other sides, and if that fits me, I think we have to get it because it's just so good. Look at that, it fits so nicely. But I kind of like the yellow one better, so okay, so this next one is on sale for $9.99, so basically £10, and honestly I might end up getting it because I think it's really cute. I wanted a white crop top that was like off shoulder that I could wear with like floaty skirts and stuff. You guys know that I'm all about skirts, so I think this may be the one. It's a bit... What the hell are you doing? So like I was trying to say, I feel like it's a bit problematic on the boob area just because you may be able to see my nipples through it, but other than that, I think it's pretty cool. And it's also one of those tops you can wear both ways, so you can either wear the off the shoulder or this way, which I also think is pretty cute, but like I'm more like a mouth shoulder type of girl, so love it. So I know it does not make sense to buy or wear knitwear during the summertime, but I found this one. I wanted to give it a go. It's only £6 and I think it's super nice. This is on size M, and honestly I'm obsessed with it. I'm kind of like about the color, but other than that, I think it's really lovely. I really love the material of it and like the fit. I think it's super cool, so probably I will end up getting this. I may return it if I don't end up using it or if I change my mind, but I need to find another one because this one has a little like thing right here which I'm not really happy with, so that's what's going on. Do you see there's like a little excess type of thing? So yo, this actually looks super cool. So as you can tell, I'm back in our changing room, and what the hell, this one is huge. Oh my god, I really love it. I really love it in this color. Even with my necklace, that looks so good. I'm 100% gonna get it in this color. Lovely. Well, this whole setup looks kind of cool. Anyway, quick update. So I feel like I'm gonna get this one. I tried this in another size. This one is a size S. I think it fits me kind of better than the other one, so I'm gonna go for this one. I actually don't plan on buying anything. I just want to try a bunch of things. I'm gonna go for the yellowy top because I don't have anything in that color, and that's super like, it just screams summery, so I'm gonna get that. And then I'm also gonna get the knitwear because I think it's kind of cool. Also, I can always return stuff if I don't end up using them, which is great. And yeah, look at that. I could have a shoot by now. It's so fun. Time to go. The rudest customer service in H&M. So basically I was waiting in the queue and like she was free, let's say, so I say hi to her and I wave her and she was like, I'm not done yet. I was like, rude, you know what I mean? Like that was so unnecessary. So Sadly, also newspaper looks interesting. I mean, Taylor Swift on it? Come on. You can bet I'm gonna read it. Anyway, I literally just found £10 in the street, which I got. Okay, so I just got a message from Apple saying my AirPods are in the store, so I'm gonna go and get them right now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so the store is right there. Oh my god, you guys, I literally just got them. Look at them. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm honestly speechless. Like, what the heck? I'm so excited. So I think I'm gonna pretty much end this vlog right here. I want to go to Primark still. So we may do that, may include that in the vlog, but definitely stay tuned for the next video because I'm definitely gonna be unboxing these. And oh my god, I'm so excited. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna go to Primark, gonna read the article about Taylor Swift because of course I'm a huge Swiftie, so why should I do that? And then yeah, I think we're gonna call it a day. Look at them. Oh my god. Also, and a bag, which is like everything. Always wanted one. Really need to buy a suitcase from my vacation. This is super cute. Guys, let me know which one I should go for.